Grade 9. Unit 1. Reading. Page 14. A Kuwaiti explorer. In 2018, Lami's Nijem became the first Kuwaiti to reach the North Pole. She was part of a Euro-Arabian expedition organized and led by Felicity Aston, who was the first person to ski across Antarctica on her own. 3 of the participants who accompanied Lamis from the Arabian Gulf region were Sheikha Asma Al-Thani from Qatar, Anisa Al-Raissi from Oman and the Saudi Arabian Mariam Haidaddin. Unfortunately, Mariam's injuries forced her to cut her trip shorter in order to meet them at the North Pole. On an expedition, the adventurers slept in tents in the Arctic wilderness for 10 days. They skied about 100 kilometers across cracked ice above water, in temperatures below -40 degrees centigrade -40 degrees Celsius and under the constant threat of attacks by polar bears, known to prey on human beings. In an interview with the Kuwait Times, Lamis explained the main reasons for her adventure as a desire to escape the familiar and to embark on a cultural quest. The experience created a deep connection and bond between the team members. Kuwait's first North Pole skier, Lamis, is an inspiration for all those who seek an adventurous life.